Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Canva AI with Adobe Firefly. Both bring powerful AI-driven design features, but they have several different user needs. So here's a breakdown for you. So starting with Canva, it is beginner-friendly, drag and drop editor, and AI tools integrated smoothly for fast designs. All the magic designs are auto-generated templates, magic write, background remover, and AI image editing. If you talk about customization and control, it has pre-made templates with limited fine-tuning. Now, if we talk about pricing, it basically offers free version which is available, and the pro version starts at around $12.99 per month. And if we compare Canva AI with Adobe Firefly, so Adobe Firefly is more advanced, it is built for professional designers and requires some familiarity with Adobe tools. It has text-to-image AI, AI-powered vector creation, and smart text effects. It has full control over AI-generated designs, layers, and effects. Now, if we talk about pricing, it basically starts at around the Adobe Creative Cloud is starting at around $20.99 per month for Photoshop and Freefly access. And it can go up to $59.99, but that depends on the features that you choose, as you can see from over here. So if you want more affordable and accessible thing, you can go for Canva AI. But if you prefer more advanced, you can go for Adobe Firefly. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.